If we speak about our positioning, we are really at the top of fine watchmaking. We are not only mastering watchmaking from the technical point of view, but we are also specialists of decorative crafts. That's the point of differentiation, I think. My name is Christian Selmoni. I'm a Style and Heritage Director of Vacheron Constantin. Vacheron Constantin was founded by Jean-Marc Vacheron in 1755. The company really grew in the middle of the 19th century and became very famous for the quality of its watches. Together with Sotheby's, we decided to create this unique sale. We decided to select very iconic timepieces of Vacheron Constantin covering different eras and different types of watchmaking. So this is a very beautiful classic chronograph. This is an example of strict technical watchmaking. So we started to produce this model in the 30s and it was still produced in the early 70s. We are offering in this timepiece from our heritage collection using the caliber 434. This is a particularly rare edition bearing this caliber. This is also a rare model since we have produced less than 50 timepieces made of steel in this reference. The dial of this particular watch is influenced by designs of pocket watches coming from the early 20th century. For me, this combination of a very strict technical watchmaking together with a very creative and bold design makes it absolutely irresistible. So this is another famous chronograph. It has a very particular design, very beautiful lugs, and this one is fitted with a 495 movement, which is another fantastic movement of this era. This is a particularly rare model since we have produced a little bit more than 100 pieces in pink gold. This particular model from 1949 is very interesting from the design angle. The Second World War was just over, and it was a very creative era. There is probably an influence from American car design or American industrial design. The main market for such rectangular timepieces was the United States of America at this time. This is a very iconic, emblematic watch of Vacheron Constantin. The nickname Cioccolatone was given by Italian collectors because this timepiece looks like a piece of chocolate. It's a combination of square and rectangular shape, which is also cambered. This particular reference is 6440. It's the latest iteration of the model. So it has a fantastic movement, caliber 1071. We thought it would be interesting to include a more modern timepiece. A very interesting example of, let's say, the rebirth of very high complicated watchmaking at Vacheron Constantin with the combination of two complications, the perpetual calendar and the automatic chronograph. So it's a very technical timepiece, which is in addition very rare, since we have produced 35 examples in platinum with this particular Solomon color die. Of course, all these watches are coming from our heritage collection and they have been restored. And so we will provide them also with a certificate of authenticity. All these watches of this selection, they have their own story. They are all, I would say, witnessing of an era. So it makes it really very interesting, I think.